Hello and welcome to a new Mautic video provided to you by HEM. Our topic is creating roles. To access roles, you click on the settings wheel and then you choose roles. By default, you have two roles in the system, administrator and admissions. To add a new one, you click on new and you start by adding a name for this role. Let's say you would like to add a manager role. You add the name and then you go for the permissions and you start setting these permissions per module. Let's say for the contact permissions, you would like to grant full access to contacts, full access to segments, and full access to import, but you'd like to leave out the manage custom fields permission. You move to another module, let's say the asset permissions. You could grant full permissions for the categories and full permissions for adding or uploading an asset. For the email permissions, you could grant full permissions for categories, but selected permissions for emails. You choose all the permissions except the delete ones. When you're done setting these permissions, all you have to do is just save and close and you'll have yourself a new role. You could come back to edit this role or simply delete it. Thank you very much for watching. For more Mautic videos, you could access our website www.higher-education-marketing.com.